Hey guys, I'm Tom the Tech Chap, and I've been having a bit of a play with the new Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. Now this was first announced in China back in October, but now Xiaomi are showing it off here in the UK, which should mean it'll be coming here soon, although they won't actually confirm an exact release date, but it's expected to be Q1 2019, which to be honest, may just be a bit late. Like the Oppo Find X, the Mi Mix 3 has almost no bezel. The 6.39-inch Full HD AMOLED screen has no notch, no chin, and barely any border at all. We're looking at a 93.4% screen-to-body ratio. And this is thanks to its magnetic slider. Just pull down on the screen and it'll slide up, revealing the dual front cameras, a selfie light, and the earpiece speaker. It's pretty cool actually, and it can be a quick shortcut for answering calls, opening the selfie camera, or launching an app. Xiaomi say they've tested it for 300,000 operations, so it should be pretty durable. The downside though is there's no IP rating for dust or water resistance, and it's also a bit thicker and heavier than most other phones, tipping the scales at 218 grams. It is a beautiful phone though, albeit a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but it feels like it's a little form over function. There's also no headphone jack, but we do get a rear fingerprint reader, and honestly, I still prefer these to the fancy new in-screen ones. The front cameras will also offer face unlocking, but that'll come later with a software update. But there's a lot more to the Mi Mix 3 than just the full view screen and a fancy slider though. Like the OnePlus 6T, it's a flagship phone with a mid-range price, and it's expected to cost between £450 and £500. So it could actually slightly undercut the OnePlus, and is also half the price of the similar Oppo Find X. Specs-wise, we're looking at a Snapdragon 845, 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. That's for the UK model, but in some territories it can come with up to 8 or I believe even 10 gigs of RAM. It also comes running the latest Android 9 software with Xiaomi's MIUI 10 skin on top, which is fine and everything felt smooth and responsive, but I don't think it's the most attractive or the best laid out UI I've used. As for battery life, well, I don't think it's going to be amazing. We get a 3200 mAh cell, which is nothing really to write home about, and with the OnePlus 6T offering 3700 and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro offering 4200, you'll likely just get a day of use out of the Mi Mix 3. It does support fast charging though, as well as fast wireless charging, and they even bundle a 10-watt wireless charger with the phone, which is a nice touch. As for the camera, on the back we get dual 12 megapixel cameras with an f1.8 and an f2.4 aperture respectively, and that second lens provides a telephoto zoom. I've only had a short time with it, but photos look good, even in low light. And in fact, Xiaomi are saying that the Mi Mix 3 will come with a new night mode, but I didn't get a chance to properly test this out. We also get two cameras on the front, a 24 megapixel f2.2 main lens, and a second 2 megapixel lens, which provides depth information for the portrait mode. So first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 are very good, but it's all going to come down to pricing. And if they can launch it for, say, £450, which does undercut OnePlus, then this could be a great option. But then again, if it's not coming until Q1, when we'll start seeing phones coming with the newest Snapdragon 855 and maybe even 5G support, then the Mi Mix 3 could be forgotten about all too quickly. Although Xiaomi do say they're planning an updated version of this with an 855 and 5G later on, but that'll no doubt be more expensive. But what do you make of the Mi Mix 3, including that full view screen and the magnetic slider? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching guys, hit that like and subscribe button if you found this video useful, which I hope you did, and I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chap.